Waterfall Wednesday here on Life on the Trail. Today we'll be visiting Lower South Falls at Silver Falls State Park. Only 30 minutes east of Salem, Oregon, Silver Falls State Park has 9,000 acres and at least 10 waterfalls. President Roosevelt deployed the Civilian Conservation Corps to build the lodges and trails at Silver Falls State Park. 50 miles of hiking trails and 2 campgrounds. It is the outdoor person's paradise. More Waterfall Wednesdays here at Life on the Trail. Like, share, and subscribe. Ring that bell to get notifications.